Today we're going to talk about a new product, DeepLink. Yeah, yes we are. Yes we are. Okay, here's the sales page for DeepLink, and we'll just scroll through here real quick. The sales pitch is, are you ready for a raging river of free traffic? The Breakthrough app puts any link in front of up to 300 million buyers overnight with just one click. Here is a video description.
What if you could click your mouse and...
Also, you've got your bullet points. You get access to 300 million visitors. You get real buyers. You get all the traffic you're ever going to need. No monthly fees. Works in any niche. It's for total newbies. No experience required. And has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Here are the customer reviews. It says it's just 3 steps. You choose your niche. You enter your link. And you activate the automation. So let's skip some of the sales pitches here, and we're going to go down to the frequently asked questions. So why the name DeepLink? Because it gets any link of your choice deep into the crowds of millions of buyers. How does it work? DeepLink combines smart automation with artificial intelligence. It sounds complex. Do I need any tech skills? Nope. This is the opposite of complex. DeepLink does all the heavy lifting for you. How long does it take to get traffic? We found that DeepLink beta testers are able to see their first visitors coming in within 24 hours. Do I need to spend anything extra to make this work? No. We hate hidden fees as much as you do. And what sets this apart from other push-button apps? DeepLink puts your link in front of an already existing audience of 300 million buyers with cash in hand. So let's go over and look at the bonuses for DeepLink. This is the bonus page, but we'll also tell you a little bit about it. So DeepLink is the world's first app to leverage smart automation that gets any link in front of the eyes of up to 300 million buyers. Here are the prices and upsells. The front end is $16.93. The first upsell is for unlimited. That's $47. Then there is a done for you package for $197. You get the DeepLink monetization for $97. The limitless traffic options $147. The franchise option is $77. And the accidental discovery is $67. The benefits: access to 300 million visitors at your fingertips. You get real buyers with cash in hand ready to buy. It's as newbie friendly and easy as it gets. Get all the traffic you'll ever need with no effort. 30-day money-back guarantee, and it is web-based. So now here are my unique bonuses for you. First of all, we're going to get Jono Armstrong's all-in-one super product. That is named Gemini. We'll get the bonus tutorial, Crush It with YouTube. We'll get a bonus tutorial on Facebook ads. A bonus tutorial for JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. Get access to all of the vendor bonuses. And then when you buy, this is through Warrior Plus. So underneath the green button that says Access Your Purchase, so the bonuses will be on this blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. So let's go ahead and go to the dashboard, or the front end product for DeepLink. So here's the DeepLink dashboard and a quick overview of the product. If you see here, we have create campaigns, my campaigns, create an ebook, my ebooks, create a funnel, my funnels, SEO traffic. Then you have tutorials that tell you how to use all of these. And here are the vendor bonuses right here. So just to show you real quick what it does, let's go into create campaign. I can't create a campaign today because on the front end you're limited to a certain number. That's why you might want to get the first upsell, which is unlimited. But I'll go in and show you some campaigns. Alright, so under my campaigns you can see there's several campaigns here. When you create your campaign, that's where you're going to go in and put your affiliate link that you want to send your traffic to. You also have in the campaign the ebook that you will create right here, and the funnel that you're going to send them through if you want a funnel. So if you have multiple affiliate links, or if you want to do a capture for their email address. So with this Make Money Online campaign, I created an ebook this morning. If you want to create an ebook for yours, you come in here for your campaign. You're going to search for your main topic. And notice it wants 4 keywords. So after you put it in, do a comment. So we'll do Make Money Online, we'll do solo ads. We can do build email list. And let's do Google Ads. Alright, so now I've got my tags. Now, next you're going to select where do you want to get your source content from. You can do easy and articles. You can do the YouTube closed caption transcript. You can use the library that is built within DeepLink, or you can use Google Blogs. Let's do the YouTube transcript. Now you're going to say how many sources do you want. So if it's easy and articles, how many articles do you want to use? If it's YouTube, how many videos do you want to use? Let's just do 5 for now. Search images to add to your book. So we'll just put a search term, search it, choose an image, then down here below that, include a new image every how many pages. I'll just put an image every 2 pages. Then next, enter a title. Enter your name. Then for your cover, what do you want for your cover? Say online money. Get some images. And then click next. Next is, what do you want your link, what do you want your keyword to be for your link? So let's do email marketing. And then wherever you're sending these people. So say we'll send it to this bonus page. Alright, so if you just want the one keyword, you can click next, or you can add multiple keywords. So we'll do make money, do Google Ads, let's just do Google. We did solo ads. So basically I'm just putting in the keywords I used to create the book. So every time this shows up in the ebook that's created, every time these keywords show up, you'll have links to these pages, which is all the same page for me. Click next, footer link. If you want a table of contents, add it. If you want to put, it's basically a table of contents at the end, your resources, you can add it there as well. Then we're going to generate it. And it's going to take some time. Yeah, it's not here yet, so we'll have to wait for it to show up. But this is where you'll find it under My eBooks. Here are ebooks that have been created. If you want to edit the book, you can click on this. If you want to see the book, you can go here. This one's still being created. If you want to download the book, here's your download link. If you want to delete the book, delete it. So your funnels are kind of the same deal. Come over to Create Funnel. Again, we've reached our minimum for today because this is the front end and you're limited on how much you can do in a day. But Create Funnel is the same as Create ebook. You just come in and create your funnel. Then you have SEO traffic. So you can search your keywords here to get alternate keywords. Then you have your tutorials. If you need to upgrade, you can click here to get any of the upgrades that you missed. Then your bonuses. So that is the back end of DeepLink. It's pretty easy to use. I would suggest that you get the first unlimited upsell so that you don't get caught like I'm doing with the limited number of campaigns.